this is how to make the maximum amount of profit when it comes to trading 0-day expiration contracts, whilst also being as consistent as possible. So you want to open up the SPY. If you have a smaller account, if you have a larger account, open up the SPX, go over to the 0-day to expiration contract, which currently is April 14th for us. And you want to do this at the market open. It's very important. You want to do this at the market open. Okay. We've already put a trade on today. This is not the market open, so we're not going to, this is just example purposes. We're not going to actually try and get a position filled. But at the market open, this is what you want to do. You want to find the closest to the at the money strike. So in this instance, it's 538 technically. It's hovering between 537 and 538. So we're just going to go with 538 and we're going to sell a straddle. Okay. So we're going to sell a call and a put at the money strike, which is currently at 538, or the closest to the at the money strike. And then what you want to do is you want to buy some wings to cover yourself. Okay. So you want to buy some wings around $10 to $15 wide, or sorry, $10 to $20 wide if you are on the SPX, and if you're on the SPY, $1 to $2 wide. The SPX is just the same thing as the SPY. It's just a multitude larger, or a multiple larger, sorry. So this is basically going to be the trade setup, and you're going to do this at the market open. Okay. Now, as you can see here, your pop, which is probability of profit, is very low at 20%. This is if you hold to the expiration, which we're not going to do. We're going to get out of this position at 25% of max profit. And what that's going to do is it's going to bump up our win rate to around 43%. Okay. So you are going to lose more than you win, but when you win, your wins are going to be much bigger than your losses. So the market has just moved a little bit, so we'll just move our position along, just keep our numbers consistent. So in this instance, we'll collect $176 up front, and our buying power requirement, this is the key thing here, the buying power requirement is $23, which is basically nothing. Okay, so you're only going to put up $23 to make a max profit of 176 or 177. We're going to take profit at 25% of this, okay, of this number. So we're going to take profit at about $44. Okay, so we're going to, when we win $44. When we lose $23. Okay, and we're going to win 43% of the time. So you guys can extrapolate that. Basically, on average, on the SPX, if you were to do this, you would win an average of about $60+ per trade. That would be an average trade P&L. And obviously, you can extrapolate that up or down depending on how many lots you're trading, whether you're trading SPX, SPY, etc. So with this strategy, you know, any account can trade this. You do just need to keep your buying power in check, because you know, this is not a high win rate strategy. You are going to lose more than you win. So you need to make sure you have enough dry powder in your account so where you can keep placing positions and let the odds eventually work out in your favor. But this is a way that you can get your feet wet in a very small account, get a very high return on your money. And it's fairly consistent. Okay, it's absolutely not the most consistent, but it is fairly consistent, and you do just need to make sure you can withstand a string of losses. Use our free position sizing template. The link for this is in the description. Everything that you need to know is here. As long as you're following this, you'll be fine. We do also have EDS Premium in the description as well. Get yourself signed up. You will have access to this exact portfolio that I'm showing you live here. You'll be able to see all the positions that we place, all the management adjustments, everything is in real time. There's also a full course, so you don't need to know anything prior to joining. We'll teach you everything. It's a private community, so once you've been through the course and followed some of our trades, I skipped ahead there. It's a private community, so if you get stuck, you can speak with myself, you can speak with other like-minded individuals. It is a 100% money-back guarantee, so once you have been through the course, follow some of our trades. If after 6 months you're not profitable, then we will just work with you for free until you are, or you can simply request a full refund. So it is completely risk-free. It's $9.99 a month to join. The price will be increasing, but once you're in, the price is locked in for you for life, so you are rewarded for getting in early. The aim of EDS Premium is to teach you the skill. We don't want to keep you dependent on us. We want to give you the skill, and once you've learned it, no one can take it from you. It's a very powerful thing to learn, and we aim to get you to a point of where you are completely self-sufficient within 6 to 12 months. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the inside.